What's the meaning of antifreeze? Antifreeze. 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 Antifreeze.
Antifreeze is a substance used to lower the freezing point of a liquid, typically water, in order to prevent damage to vehicle engines during colder temperatures. It works by changing the physical properties of the liquid, making it more resistant to freezing. Without antifreeze, there is a risk that water-based liquids in vehicles can freeze, expanding and potentially cracking engine blocks, radiators or other components. This can cause extensive damage and expensive repairs. The addition of antifreeze helps to prevent these issues and can help ensure that vehicles run smoothly even in very low temperatures.